China's increasing bellicose attitude towards Taiwan and its allies has led to increased diplomatic and military maneuvering in the region. Taiwan's military and political leaders have increased preparations to resist a Chinese invasion. A Chinese invasion of Taiwan is not a foregone conclusion, but it may be part of a plan to create external pressure on Taiwan, elect pro-Chinese politicians, and align with China. The Taiwanese people have been supporting independent-minded candidates, which enrages the Chinese leadership. The Chinese's bellicose stances, threats, and violations of Taiwan's sovereignty are part of political gamesmanship, but it entails risk. If Taiwan decides not to yield to China's demands, it puts China in a difficult position. China must either continue to escalate or choose the military option to invade when its political efforts fail. The Taiwanese government must decide whether to maintain its independence or submit to China. Taiwan's annual military exercises aim to replicate the island nation's resolute resistance against China. The United States has been attempting to persuade Taiwanese to change course and create a deeper and more effective resistance doctrine and plans in the event of a Chinese invasion. This year's war games will be non-scripted, deploying units at likely Chinese invasion points in harbors and airports, and extending beyond daylight hours to nighttime defense activities. The most significant change in Taiwan's strategy is the emphasis on operational and tactical changes to defense. Taiwan is replacing its centralized top-down authority with a more decentralized command structure and standing orders for its troops. This decentralization strategy provides several benefits for the effectiveness of the Taiwanese military, such as faster reaction times and better enabling guerrilla-type resistance in the mountain ranges of the central and eastern parts of the island. However, Taiwan must invest in a more professional force, constant training, and investment in equipment and logistics to support the doctrine. China may perceive Taiwan's long-term military commitment as a pledge to statehood, potentially altering China's policies as a reaction.